Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a repair video here. This is a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The problem with this car is that the mode door doesn't move. The lever on the side is broken. So we got all the parts. I think they're most of them from the dealer, and I'm going to start removing everything. So hopefully everything gets fine in here and you guys can hear me well too. So let's just start doing this. I will be recording as much as possible and probably forwarding a little bit because this is a 10-hour repair. So let's see how it goes. I'm using the GoPro for this, and as usual, the center console is full stuff. So hopefully I can just put everything in this glove box or compartment. I want to see if I can check what I'm recording. I got the GoPro up here. I think. Where are you? Tools. I know I have it. Over here, yeah. I just want to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. Just to guys, or to let you know, I already removed or evacuated the air conditioning, and I also removed the hose from the heater core to the, to the cooling system. I just remove it and tap it. Looks like, yeah, I am connected to it. This vessel trim just pops off. Pretty easy and simple. And I'm going to be putting as much as possible in there. So yep, it looks like you guys can see pretty good. I'm actually going to adjust the camera a little bit more. So that's kind of like perfect right there. This slides a little bit on the way as far as. Yep, that's better. See, that shadow or intensity of light was there, and now I need to remove some of the rear parts on the. So we need to remove this one too as well. We'll see here, we'll remove that after. Center console we need to remove from the front as well. All these covers has to come out. So let's focus on the rear back part of the console. Looks like it just pops in here as far as the diagram shows me. And it's just very hard to remove. Yeah, I use a trim tool on the bottom, kind of like in the carpet, wedging it like this and then pulling. Yeah, and it worked out very well. So need to disconnect the connectors. So looking at the diagram, it seems like we have a bolt in the middle. And this. And it's right here. It just pulls out. It's not even much of my way, It's actually very easy. I don't know if I mentioned, I got the battery disconnected already, probably around 10-15 minutes before I start doing the job. We're recording it. So we got not much of an issue here. It stays with it. Need a pin puller. Just to release this from the actual shifter. And so to be in your way, should probably get a tray, put it here. Alright, so far this is all I have taken. Those are the two balls on the back of the console and the number 10 for the center console itself too. This has to be removed as well. Not too much in your way, but there's nothing else I can do, right? So these are a little longer. Pocket screwdriver is a very handy tool. It's a small, has a magnet. It's very, very handy. Alright, so we have here, looks like an 8. An 8 or 7, let's see. It is an 8. That's for the cable on the shifter. I have it in neutral, so I can roll the car back and forth on my bay if I need to. This, I like to use a marker and then kind of like shadow the position of where the bulb is right now, so you don't need to adjust the wire, the cable later. If that's the case, I always do this. That's why you see sometimes, people does a job like this, don't mark the shifter cable, and then now their reverse is kind of like in the middle and the neutral, and they end up needing to take it apart, or you try the car weird later on. Good. That's the bolt. And it just lays down in there. No problem. This has a spring in it too. We can put this more cable pin attached to here. Alright. Take a look at that. That's it. It has just a, hope you can see, it's just a clip that you have to like push and then pull the cable on. Let's see what else we have. Goes on my way. And that's it. That's as much as the center console that we need to do. is working here. These are 7 for sure. Grab it. Just laying in there. There's somebody else here too. I only have one 7mm, and it has also a Phillips head onto it. Get this plug nut out of here. It has some dark.
You up? You up?
The what?
You up? Evaporator?
Yes. Looks like this. All I gotta do is pull back and then just hit the cover so it releases from these little groups. Right. We need to remove the door seals as well and the upper pillar. Disconnect the connections on the computer or fuse box on the driver's side. I put usually the heavy stuff on the back. I like this type of fasteners. They tend to break so hard. I mean, it's so easy. Well, this one came out. Never mind. These are the ones that I was referring. It has just a pin in here, and these two, and then you just slide it out. Hopefully, I can keep those in there. Got a cover in here too that we need to remove. A lot of plastic. That's what the cars are now. Plastic, plastic, plastic. The problem with this is we definitely need to remove the entire console, or sorry, dash panel. So steering column will have to be removed as well. This has a Christmas tree in there. Careful when you're trying to pull towards you. This is the Christmas tree flip that I was removing. We need to do that to access the bracket in here that needs to be removed. So this has 2 10s. You need to do that on each side. You get a magnet. They usually tend to pull. You have to pull the car to get it out. Find yourself a new one, which I don't like to do. A new nut. So just 2 10s. I'll take my socket. I'll be able to leave that one just loose. Or remove it from the actual dashboard. And what I usually use is also a mirror. See what kind of fasteners I have in there too. So it looks like 7s. This is an 7. This is an 8. I'm gonna go with a 7. Let's put this back in there. I just use it. 2. That's right here. Same length. Let me show this is the nut on the side of the, we'll remove the center console. And we can get this key. Until the ignition is off.
Let's see. How will that play with us?
Looking at connections that we need to remove. There is a white connector that you need to remove, and then the 2 plugs here just need to be unplugged. It will be hanging in there. This is the tipping. Pull those down so they're not going to be in my way later. These are the 3 connections on this side that we need to remove. I wish the audio is good, guys. I hope. Before we try that, where I go too far. I will play along. Otherwise, I will re-record the audio. I can always do that. It's a pain in the neck, but it is what it is.